Awesome. Hi. Awesome, guys. Looking good. I appreciate y'all. It's a great family, man. We have my buddies, the Killer Klowns from outer space, and you know Killer Klowns from outer space is making a huge comeback with the game, and these are the ones that you guys always comment about. And now here's the question everybody asks: where do you get these costumes?
We make them, half are made and half are bought.
All right, looking good there, my friend. Look at this. And are these all homemade?
Yeah, we made these just for today, and she got the back on it. What are you gonna do with them pies, boys?
Those are really neat.
Yeah, we made them just for
Look
the
at
show.
that, you have a whole bunch.
Yeah, we made them just for the show, just Comic-Con.
And much love to the Killer Klowns from outer space San Antonio cosplay group, man. They do parties and things like that, you know, and they're doing it for your entertainment. So make sure, you know, don't question their prices. They're there to entertain you. So I appreciate this. They gifted this to me, so I'm gonna put it in my truck real quick, and I'm gonna get back in and catch some more footage of them. They're awesome family, man.